Welcome to Grade 4 Math, Multiplication, Doubling, and 3D numbers. Look at the pencils. How many pencils are there? We can add them. 2 pencils plus 2 pencils plus 2 pencils equals 6 pencils. This is a multiplication sign. We say times. Look at the pencils. We can multiply them. There are 2 pencils, 2 pencils, and 2 pencils. There are 3 groups of 2 pencils. 2 times 3 equals 6. Look at these numbers. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Do you see a pattern? 2 plus 2 equals 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 8 plus 8 equals 16. 16 plus 16 equals 32. 32 plus 32 equals 64. Did you see the pattern? We added the number to itself and we got this answer. We can also multiply by 2 and get the same answer. This is the double. 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. 16 times 2 equals 32. 32 times 2 equals 64. We got the same answer, but we multiplied by 2. We doubled it. 8 times 8 equals 64. 64 is the product. A product is the answer in multiplication. We can multiply 10 and 100. Let's look. 5 times 1 equals 5. 5 times 10 equals 50. 5 times 100 equals 500. When multiplying by 10, we add 1 0 to the right of the number to get the product. So 5 times 10 equals 50. Look, 5 times 1 equals 5. 5 times 10, which has 1 0, equals 50, which has 1 0. We do the same for 100. When multiplying by 100, we add 2 zeros to the right to get the product. Like here is 5. We multiply by 100. We add 2 zeros to the right of the 5. When we divide by 10 and 100, we move 1 0 to the left to get the answer. So 500 divided by 10 equals 50. We move the 0, 1 0 to the left, and our answer is 50. We divide 500 divided by 100, it equals 5. we divide by 100 and move 2 zeros to the left to get the answer. So our answer is 5 because we moved 2 zeros, 1, 2, and we are left with 5. Digits. Remember that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are digits. We can multiply 2 digits by 1 digit. 12 is a number with 2 digits, a 1 and a 2. 12 times 4 equals 48. The grid method for multiplication is one way to multiply 2 digits by 1 digit. Here's how we do it. First, make a grid that looks like this. Label the tens column and the ones column. Now, for 24 times 6, put the 6 in this column. Now, separate the 2 digits of 24. 24 has 4 ones and 2 tens. 2 tens is 20. Now multiply the 6 by the ones column. So you will multiply 6 by 4, and your answer is 24 here. Now, you will multiply the 6 by the tens column. 6 times 20 is 120. Next, you will add the product of the tens and ones columns. Your product in the tens is 120. Your product in the ones column is 24. You will add 120 plus 24. It equals 144. So your answer is 144. Let's look. Here are 3 strawberries, 5 grapes, and 6 oranges. We can make a chart like this. We can label the fruit and the number of fruit. 3 strawberries, 5 grapes, and 6 oranges. When we do that, we can make another kind of chart called a tally chart. When we make a tally chart, we will use tally marks. This is 1 tally mark. These are 5 tally marks. We write 5 tally marks, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. Now, for our tally chart, we can put 3 tally marks for the 3 strawberries, this tally mark for the 5 grapes, and these tally marks for the 6 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your tally chart will look like this. You have fruit in one column and tally marks in the other column. So you can look and see, there are 5 grapes. We can also make a bar chart. Let's start with our 3 strawberries, 5 grapes, and 6 oranges. This is a bar. In a bar chart, we read the bars to know how many. So we can look down here and see we have strawberries, grapes and oranges. We can look at this line to see how many. How many strawberries? Look here, you see we have 2, 3, 3. There are 3 strawberries. We have a line with 2, a line with 4, and 3 is in the middle of 2 and 4. Grapes. How many grapes? 2 grapes, 4 grapes, 6. Oops, we don't have 6 grapes. Look, this line is in the middle of 4 and 6, so we have 5 grapes. 5 is in the middle of 4 and 6. How many oranges? Look at the top, and we have 6 oranges. So we can use a bar chart to let us see how many. This is a pictogram. A pictogram is a chart where we use pictures. This picture of a cookie tells us the number of cookies. Each cookie, 1 cookie, equals 5 cookies. So let's look. We have a chart with Mustafa, Ada, Noyan, and Tawana, and they have cookies. Now let's find out the number of cookies they have. Each cookie equals 5. So Mustafa has 5, 10, 15, 20 cookies. Ada has 5 cookies because 1 cookie equals 5 cookies. Noyan has 5, 10. 10 cookies because each cookie equals 5. Tawana has 15 cookies. Let's count. 5, 10, 15. So a pictogram, we can look and see how many by counting the pictures. And each picture, like this picture of this cookie, equals a number. A Carroll diagram is a way to sort things that are similar, but they are not alike. We have a strawberry, a banana, a pepper, and broccoli. They are all fruits and vegetables, but they are not all alike. Let's see. We can make this Carroll diagram. One is a fruit, but some are not fruits. Some are red and some are not red. Now let's sort these fruits and vegetables into the right square. It's a fruit and it is red. A strawberry. A strawberry is a fruit and it is red. The next one, a fruit and is not red. A banana is a fruit, but it is not red. So we can put it here. Now, let's see. It's not a fruit and is red. Which one of these is not a fruit but is red? The pepper. The pepper is not a fruit and it is red. So the last one, not a fruit and is not red. What goes there? The broccoli. The broccoli is not a fruit and it is not red. So we can sort all these things in a Carroll diagram. A Venn diagram is a way to sort things according to different features. Let's look. Here are some students: Ali, Melinda, Mehmet, Elif, and Melis. They say if they have a dog or a cat. Ali has a dog and has a cat. Melinda has a cat. Mehmet has a cat. Elif has a cat. Melis has a dog. We can put these animals in these circles or Venn diagram, and we can look and see who has what animal. Melis has a dog. See, in the blue circle is for dogs. But look, Ali has a dog too. He is in the blue circle. Elif, Mehmet, and Melinda have cats. They are in the red circle. Oh, look, Ali has a cat too. So the Venn diagram can show us who has these things or who has these things and who has both. In this part, we can see that Ali has a dog and a cat. And when we look here, we see that Melis has only a dog. Look, these are shapes. They are called polygons. A polygon is a 2D shape with 3 or more straight sides and angles. A regular polygon has sides of equal length and angles of equal size. So look, this triangle has 3 equal sides. They're all the same size. This square has 4 equal sides. This pentagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal sides. They're all the same size. A heptagon is a regular polygon that has 7 equal sides. Look at this. Every side of the heptagon is 3 centimeters. An octagon is a regular polygon that has 8 equal sides. Every side of this octagon is 3 centimeters. A quadrilateral is a 4-sided polygon. These are all quadrilaterals. 2 lines that are the same distance apart and they never cross are called parallel. These are parallel lines. They can go on and on and on, and they will never cross. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral with opposite sides that are parallel to each other. There are no right angles. Look, this quadrilateral is a parallelogram because these sides, these lines, will never ever cross. They will go on and never cross. And there are no right angles. The angles are not right. Remember, a polygon is a 2D shape with 3 or more straight sides and angles. A cube is a 3D shape. A tetrahedron is a 3D shape with 4 triangular faces. 1, 2, 3, 4.